as it's a fresh vanilla WordPress installation, there are a few things that I want to clean up quickly. I call it the P's. I start at the very top with posts, and we know the hello world is here. I'll select that, and then I'll move it to the trash, and we'll go through this very quickly and empty the trash. The next one is pages. I'll select these 2 pages, move to trash, apply. If you don't know what I'm doing, you can watch it a little bit slower, but we are not going too deeply into WordPress here. In fact, we'll be leaving this dashboard almost forever once we install Breakdance. Next one is plugins. So I click on plugins just to ensure that there are no plugins. So it's posts, pages, and plugins. And then the third one that I go to is settings and permalinks. So that is where my 4th P comes in, and I select post name here. It's just one of those things I do so that later on I'm not confused if I see a post with a weird name or my slugs are strange. Do these things from the beginning, then I'm very, very happy. Save changes. And now I've cleaned up all those parts.